Really believe, okay, legally, I agree with this. Morally, I may not.
I think that's a really excellent point because, again, it all goes down to the jury instructions. And these jury instructions, when I read them, what really struck me, and I'll throw this out to Jason Johnson, is that if you look at it, there is a lot of talk about what would make this a lawful killing. There's an entire page on justifiable use of deadly force. And as I mentioned, it repeats the whole stand your ground law. But beyond that, there's also instruction on what would be justifiable homicide and excusable homicide. So of the 24 pages, a lot of them are devoted, or at least a significant number of them are devoted to explanations of how this would be a legal killing. What's your reaction to that?
Well, I think it's important. We have to remember that there's a difference between the law and justice. Take, for example, an anti-abortion activist. The law is that abortion is legal, but they don't think that's justice. They don't think that's right. And so we have to remember that sort of contradiction. If I put the keys in the ignition, my engine starts, my wheels spin, but it doesn't take me to the store, that's not transportation. And justice is when the machinery of the law and our moral intentions actually combine. And so it happens all the time where we have cases where the law operates properly, but some people still don't feel it's justice.
And we'll talk about this more.